Hello, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2017 17 plate Mercedes Vito Bluetec van. This is the 114 brake horsepower vehicle. It is a Euro 6 vehicle, so fantastic if you're a business looking to go into bigger cities. Nice vehicle. We've got a couple of these on stock, so if you're looking to refleet, absolutely ideal. Obviously finished in this lovely blue paintwork. We've got the Mercedes branded roof rails on this one as well. You've got side entry doors on both sides. So as you can tell, in the rear we've got slip resistance floors, we've got metal bulkhead, fully ply lined in the rear. You've got the lighting there as well. We've got the twin cupboard doors to the rear. 114 CDI, so it's a 2.1 litre diesel, very nice and torquey, nice drive, and that's coupled with a 6-speed manual transmission. So a van which can do all things. Nice drive to it as well. And then inside, lots of nice car-like features. So obviously you've got seating for free, you've got the driver's seat, a nice bench seat there as well. Central locking, electric windows. You've got your lights and handbrake just down there. Multifunction steering wheel, so on here is our voice command, our Bluetooth phone, all of our volume controls, all the controls for the display up ahead. We've got cruise control and speed limiter. So Bluetooth phone on the main screen. You've got satellite navigation pre-wire, so you can get an SD card which just slots into there and gives you the full capabilities. You've got your FM radio, your multimedia, so that includes your USB. Traction control, climate control, 6-speed manual as I mentioned before, aux and USB. But inside, a nice van, so nice condition. If you'd like any further information on this vehicle, you can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. At the moment we are working via appointments, so if you'd like to book a viewing for this vehicle, please do get in touch and we'll happily book you in. As I mentioned, this is one of 8 vehicles, so if this one sells, we've got another one for you. But thank you for watching and we look forward to your inquiry.